Last year, Brittany and I packed our bags and moved to the Pacific Northwest. We left our friends and family to start a new adventure together in the great outdoors. However, things aren't quite the same as they used to be. The beautiful and lush lands here are disappearing, one by one. Now, as tough as it may be, I've come to face the fact that this precious gift God has given us may be gone well within my lifetime. Knowing how scary this is, I'm happy to be here. I'm going to soak up every moment I can while it lasts. If you can, I want to encourage you to take some time, go outside, and enjoy this thing we have called planet Earth.